how to get friend emojis on Snapchat. So if you want to get the friend emojis on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and then go with settings, which is on the upper right. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the Bitmoji. Make sure that you've added your Bitmoji, and then you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have use my Bitmoji avatar, and you can set it to my friends, and then you can also scroll down and turn on your Bitmoji. Once you've turned on your Bitmojis, now what you need to do is simply go back, and then you need to go with a chat. So for example, I'll be choosing a chat. Once you've chosen a chat, now you can simply go with the emoji option, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on emoji, now you just need to simply go with the Bitmoji. Once you tap on the Bitmoji option, then you'll be able to have that person's Bitmoji, which is the Friendmojis. So that's how you can have your Friendmoji on your Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.